Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you an activity which is very interesting and easy. You can do it easily. So let's see the material which you want. We want chopped tomato and onion, cucumber, lemon and potato bhujia and salt and any salty biscuit. Let's mix them. So first I am mixing chopped tomato and onion. Then I am mixing the cucumber. Now I need a lemon. You can use chaat masala also. Now I am taking, we have to add some salt also. Let's mix them. After mixing, I am taking a biscuit, a salty biscuit. Then I am adding some sauce in it. After adding some sauce, you have to spread it with the help of spoon, like this. After spreading, you have to add some chopped cucumber, tomato and onion, like this. Then you have to add some potato bhujia. Then you have to put some sauce in the another biscuit and spread it. And cover it with the help of another biscuit. Let's make one more. You have to add a sauce and you have to spread it, okay? Then you have to add some chopped onion, tomato and cucumber. After adding, you have to add some potato bhujia. After this, you have to add some sauce in the another biscuit. And cover it. Now we are making the eyes. You can try this at home. It's very tasty. Hope you like this activity. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.